We all know that large language models are capable of generating any kind of text. But how about an idea where large language model generates UI component? Yes, you have heard it right. I'm talking about a React-based framework which claims to be generating UI components as LLM streams information, and it has created kind of a language for large language model to spit out UI components, and today we are looking into that. The framework is called OpenUI and I'm on their official GitHub repository. It's a kind of open standard for generative UI. So basically they are solving two problems. The first problem is large language model, we all know, can generate JSON output, but generating JSON output has two issues. First, token consumption. Second, JSON output cannot be guaranteed that every time you will receive clear structured output. They have developed OpenUI language, a streaming first language for generative models. So instead of spitting out JSON output, it will spit out OpenUI language. They have built-in component libraries, prompts for their component libraries. So basically what you do is that you pass the component library with the system prompt to LLM and ask the LLM to generate components from the component library that you have. They have streaming handlers and chat and app surfaces so that you don't have to build it from the scratch. And here is how this works. So basically you have a component library. You pass the component library information with system prompt that goes into LLM, obviously with the query and previous chat history. Now LLM spit out OpenUI language. This language basically goes into a renderer engine, and the output of this engine is a live UI. We have one of this kind of functionality provided by Vercel in their AI SDK, but I'm not sure it got too much popular or not. Now, if I go into their documentation, they will have clear documentation about how you can utilize this framework and what things you can do with this framework. One interesting thing they are showing is that they are claiming that when you generate something in JSON format, it takes more token compared to their own OpenUI language, and in this example it seems fast as well, and in the case of token it seems about 1/3 token consumption when using OpenUI language. So now let's look into a quick demonstration of this OpenUI. I have this small application running locally on my machine that uses OpenUI framework, and when I say, let's say weather in Tokyo, it will call a weather tool and bring out the weather information and show it here. But it seems it doesn't seems to be using UI components, because my question was not of that type. But if I go and ask show me a 5-day forecast for Tokyo, hopefully it will render some live UI here. Let's see what it does. So this table, I'm sure it's coming from the live UI. Let's say weekly forecast summary. Yeah, you see, these things are streaming, and this UI changes are coming directly from the OpenUI framework. Let's say get current APL price. Hopefully, it's let's see if I'm sure you understand that when I ask certain questions, there is table that being rendered, and it is coming from OpenUI components library. I think I should ask something which should generate graph. Let's say compare APL and Google price. Yeah, you see now it has a table and kind of a graph for Apple and Google stocks, and this I'm talking about is generative UI. This thing coming directly from the OpenUI components library, and these things are spit out by large language model. So yes, I'm talking about this kind of functionality. Consider a scenario where you have dashboard which changes as you ask a question. You ask about a few things like what's the sales in X area. The UI changes itself. Using this kind of functionality, those dashboards are not far away. We will surely see those kind of dashboards in near future. I think this is it from my side for this part of the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video. If you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.